Yeah, basically what happens here is, we are from the infra perspective. The selection of the proper basic equipment, like physical infrastructure, becomes very very important, because physical infrastructure cannot be changed at later stage. You can change the server switchings and all those things, but physical infrastructure like racks, the containments, then the power distribution, all these things are basically cooling. These are all the basic physical infrastructures cannot be changed at later stage for a longer time. So here, it's very important to go for a best technology available today, which should have, power saving, all the facilities for power saving and energy saving. But we are looking up, intelligent solutions, coming into the data center, like, the management of the data center is more centralized. People are looking at intelligent solutions like, intelligent power distribution, intelligent locking systems, then intelligent cooling, and integrating all these things to a data center infrastructure management tool. Of course, intelligent asset management. So people are looking at, going for everything intelligent, so that in their fingertips they know availability of the space, availability of the power, availability of the cooling, and also they will know whether this data center has been, using it to the 100% efficiency. very, very difficult question to answer actually. See what is happening, see earlier, if you go, a long time back, the data centers were on the mainframes, IBM mainframes and things like that, where individual rack has its own, the storage, computing, everything. Now the next generation with separate the servers and separate data storage. Now the new generation, the softwares, basically, what is happening, it is reducing the data center space, like, the VM machines and all those things. Earlier it was, every server was specific to the applications. Now every server has a different application inbuilt in that, because of the new VMware softwares and things, VM softwares. But still, the question here is, the data is growing every day, because more importance comes from the personal data perspective. Like, we are becoming, a lot of new users. Like, everybody has a smartphone, the smartwatches, smart t-shirts, which will, everything will become an individual user. So this will, of course, increase the data center requirement actually.